need a written contract with the rights holder that confirms price. It wouldn't hurt. Definitely wouldn't hurt. I think that's another reason why I record and use Fathom for my Zoom calls, so everything's documented that way as well. But you can download an editable PDF contract through ACX. If you go to the help page, and at the bottom you'll see a link that says legal resources. I think that's what it's called. You click on it and it'll give you some options as to like what your role is and what you need a contract for. You can download it, then you can edit it. And then also someone else had mentioned, because I had mentioned adding an AI writer, like do not use my voice for any kind of machine learning or anything like that. You can get one of those AI writers from Nava, N-A-V-A. I think it's .com, or it could be .org. Do you know off the top of your head, Rebecca? Is it nava.com? N-A-V-A?
I don't know, but I can type it in really fast.
But you can download an AI writer from there to add on to your contract. See, I'm looking for any other questions. I'm glad this channel helps. I hope at the very least it's entertaining.
Even with the technical nonsense.
Yeah, exactly. And I totally forgot to mention this in the beginning because of live, but I wanted just to say thank you to all of my new donut members. I have a channel membership now on YouTube, and you could become a channel supporter where you brought donuts. You get some shout outs. So yesterday I had Caesar join, Jules, Rebecca, and Strange Storm Cat. So thank you guys for being my charter donut members. I appreciate it.
You get a little donut next to your name. Of course I was going to do it.